So, hello guys, today we are going to learn what is virtual environment. Okay, so how can we create it by using Python? So, here you can see Python document for virtual environment venv. So, creation of virtual environment. So, the venv module support creating lightweight virtual environment, each with their own independent set of the Python package installed in their side direction. A virtual environment is creating on top of the existing Python installation known as the virtual environment base Python. Okay, and default is isolated from the package in the base environment so that only those explicitly installed in the virtual environment are available. Okay, so I think the virtual I mean you got it. What is the virtual environment? Virtual environment basically, if you want to install some library, so we can install it in our virtual environment. Okay, so we can create a different virtual environment for our different projects. Okay, so that we use a specific environment for our project. Okay, so when use from within a virtual environment, commonly installed tool such as pip. Okay, so we need to install pip. Pip will install Python package into a virtual environment without needing to be told to do explicitly. So a virtual environment is amongst other things used to contain a specific Python interpreter and software library and binaries which are incident to such a port or port a project. These are by default isolation from software in other virtual environment and Python interpreter and library installed in the operating system. Okay, so I don't I mean I need not to read everything. So here you can see this one. Window invoke the venv command as follows. Okay, so here you can see. So key aspect of the virtual environment: isolation and dependency management, reproducibility, cleanliness to prevent the global Python environment from the become the cluster with the project specific package. Okay, so commonly used tool for creating a virtual environment. venv, the built-in module available in Python 3.3, and later it is lightweight and sufficient for most use cases. But this is one also. Virtual can be a third-party package that offer more features and can be used with the older Python version, including Python 2.7. Okay, so here, how can you create virtual environment from this command? Python minus hyphen m venv. This is your virtual environment name. Okay, for window, uh, after creating virtual environment, you need to activate this. So how can you activate this? Your folder name, virtual environment folder name. Okay, script and activate. So with the help of this, you can activate it in your machine. Okay, in Mac you can see, for Mac, source folder, virtual environment folder name, bin and activate. This is for Macs, and this is installation package Python pip install package name. Okay, so here you can see here, virtual environment Python is isolated environment on your computer where you can run and test your Python project. Okay, so here if you want to, like I'm going here. Okay, now I want to create virtual environment. Okay, so here with the help of which command? So here I have different things. This one, this is my virtual environment. Okay, okay, so this command. Okay, so here Python minus m venv. Okay, so this command is similar with this. Okay, which one? this one. No, this one, not this one. This one, okay. Python minus m by bnb and folder name, okay. So here I need to run this command uh, in my terminal, okay. So here I need to run this command. I Okay, so you said it said that be notice a new environment has been created. Do you want to select it workplace as folder? Okay, so now I don't want to select it workplace as of now. So I need to cut it. And here I can see, is there any folder with the name of this one, my project venv. Okay, so this is my new virtual environment. It has different files, okay. Inside the lab included, it has a pip setup tools, okay. And also inside you have dist utils commands config. So we have different dependencies inside these files. And we also have script folders. And after that we have this one, activate bat. Okay, so here after running this command I need to run this. So here I want to activate my virtual environment, okay. So here you can keep your project folder name. I mean, this is a our virtual environment folder name, okay. And script and activate, okay. So here you can see I'm inside the script, my folder name this one, my project venv, okay. This one, first one. After that I need to go in script. Where is script? This one, okay. After script I am in activate, okay. So this is the activate this one, okay. I need to run this command. So our virtual environment has been activated, this one, okay. That's mean we are going to work in this virtual environment, okay. So now you need to write code, or here you can install things like pip install pandas, okay. Pip. So here you can install, and you can use it in your project, okay. Pip install pandas, pip install numpy, pip install streamlit. So you can install anything by using pip inside this virtual environment. And it can be I mean you can use it for your project, okay. And after that, if you want to deactivate this, okay. So here you can see, you for this command you can install your any package, okay. Pip install pandas, pip install numpy. Here you can put your package name, okay. Pip install matplotlib, pip install pyspark, okay. So here with this command you can install any package, okay. So if you have I mean if you completed your project, then you don't want to this environment, then you can uninstall this, okay. So I need to deactivate this. I mean, I'm not going to uninstall, but I can deactivate it. Okay. So I don't want. Actually, I am going to execute. So here you can see. Okay. Okay. So that's why you can see here now environment has been deactivated. Okay, by using deactivate command. And if you want to again activate it, so you can do what, this command. You need to run this command. Okay, this one, okay. So you can activate your command, your environment, and you can use a library which install inside this in your project, okay. Now I am going to deactivate it, but I have another virtual environment, okay. So I am going to delete because I don't want to use this. I already have another virtual environment in my code. So okay, I have deleted this. Now I am going to inside my project. I can check by using ls command, that I check So here I need to copy this, and here I need to copy it, sorry, paste it. Here I can check. So if I, okay, so I already have virtual environment from name of venv. Okay, so I need to activate this virtual environment. Okay, so here you can see I need to change name here. So my virtual environment name is venv. Okay, so here you can see I have activated my virtual environment. Okay, so if you want to install I mean I have live like if you have any requirement.txt, okay, like this. Mm-mm. Here you can create requirements.txt. If you want to install anything like a py pdf, I need to install it by using pip install -r requirement.txt. requirements.txt. Okay, okay, so requirement.txt could not open requirement.txt file, no such file or directory. I think it is outside of this project, so I need to keep this inside. Okay, now I moved requirement.txt. Where is this file? Okay, this one in requirement folder. Here you can check location of this file, and now I am going to install again. So it install packages inside this virtual environment, and we can use this environment and these library and package in our code. Okay guys, so I don't want these thing, I am just giving you